Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So this video tonight is a requested video from one of my viewers, and it's for using Tiffany Teal and scales, which are two beautiful colours and I absolutely love using. As this is a requested video, I just would like to say that if you do have any videos that are nail sets that you would like me to do or try, please pop them in the comments below. I will always try my best to do them, and if I can't, I will let you know, but I do always try and get them done within a few days. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and subscribe now. And if you also hit that little notification bell, you'll not miss any of my new videos. I'm starting out on the pointer finger, and I'm going in with Pinkerbel cover, and I'm doing a sort of small extended nail bed, but I've cut it out into the V shape, which is the chevron shape, and I'm going to also do that on the little finger as well. Excuse the state of my own nails in this video. They are in bad need of getting done, so I will hopefully get them done this week and I'll have a video up of me doing them. Onto the little finger, and I've went in again with the Pinkerbel cover, and I'm doing the same cutout that I did on the pointer finger. So I do the cutout as soon as I see the acrylic start to mattify, and I know that it's not going to be sticky and it's going to come away as soon as I do the cut. Moving on to the middle finger, and I'm going in again with the Pinkerbel cover, and instead of doing any cutout on this nail, I'm going in and just doing it in a diagonal pattern. So onto the ring finger, and I'm going to do the same pattern, but I'm going to do them as like a mirror image of each other. Back now onto the pointer finger, and I'm just going in with my file, and I'm just sharpening up the edges of the V that I've cut out on the nail. So this colour is Tiffany Teal, and it is an absolutely gorgeous colour. I had to wait ages on it coming back in because it was out of stock, which seemed like forever. And looking at it, you can actually see why, because it's such a gorgeous colour. So I'm just pushing that up to the V that I've cut out, but just on one side. And on the other side I will go in with scales. Onto the little finger, and I'm going in again with the Tiffany Teal, and I'm just butting that up to the V shape, and then I'm spreading it down towards the free edge. One thing with this, you will notice on this nail only that the Tiffany Teal for some reason marbled a little bit, so you'll see it here that you can see me try to work with it a bit. It isn't usually an acrylic that marbles, so I just find that quite strange, but once I worked with it, it was fine. The colour was all consistent, so no dramas. So back to the middle finger now, and I'm going to be doing like a marble with the Tiffany Teal and the Forbidden Forest, but I want to control this marble, so I'm going in colour by colour because I want the marbles going in a certain direction. So on the ring finger, I'm going to be doing the marble the opposite way so that they're like mirror images of each other. And again, I want to control this marble, so I'm just going in colour by colour. I actually really like doing the marble this way, and I think it's turned out really pretty, so I would definitely do it this way again. Back to the pointer finger, and oh my goodness, how gorgeous is Scales. It is so beautiful. You know, when I saw this on the website, I was like, will I buy it? Will I not? But when I bought it, I was like, why did you not buy this sooner? It's so gorgeous. You know, it has the green tones in it, it has blue tones in it, it has gold tones in it. This is such a universal glitter, it can go with anything. It's gorgeous. So on the middle finger and the ring finger, I'm just going in with Scales, and I'm just starting at the cuticle and doing my little sort of swishy movement down along that diagonal line and just bringing it down ever so slightly into that marble. So onto the little finger now, and I'm going in with scales just at the free edge, and I'm just spreading it up towards the chevron shape, but I'm trying to keep just the smaller bits heading up. I'm taking the larger bits out because you can't really fade the larger bits out too much, and I just want it to sort of gradually fade out as it goes up the nail. So now that all the coloured acrylic work is finished, I'm going ahead with my glass slippers and I'm capping all the nails. I'm only going to show one of them though, just to keep the length of the video down. So the change in the lighting colour is because I got up and I switched on my overhead lights because I just found that the sun was moving from the front of the house to the back of the house, and it just, when I looked in my room, it just seemed a little bit dull. Now that they're all cured, I'm going in and I'm doing my normal filing routine, which is starting at the sidewalls, making sure they're nice and straight. Then I go to the lower arch and I make sure that's nice and straight and coming out in line with the natural nail. And because this is a coffin shape, I then go to the free edge. I hold my file vertically, and that way I can see if the free edge is straight. You can see that as I'm filing the nails, I stop in between and I look at the nails from all different directions just to make sure that the nail's symmetrical and that there's no obvious lumps or bumps. Then I'm going in with my buffer, and that's going to take out any harsh like scratch marks from my 100/180 file, and it's going to give it a nice smooth surface so that I can put the top coat on. So it's top coat time, yay! I'm getting in with my Glitterbels non-white top coat, and look at how it just brings that scales to life. I love top coat time, especially if I've been using glitters. It's just amazing. So before I go in and cure the top coat, I'm going to add some rhinestones to the V area, and I'm just going to do a small rhinestone cuff on the 2 middle fingers. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And as I said earlier, it is a requested video, so if there is something in particular you would like to see, just pop them in the comments below. And I will see you all in the next video. So see you soon. Take care. Bye.